Hello everyone, good day. Ako si Gianna Luis Aranya, a first-year BS Psychology student, together with my partner, Mary Angel Alambro, a first-year BS Tourism Management student. For today's vlog, we will be sharing a simple outreach activity inspired by the Catholic Social Teaching, or CST. CST teaches us that every person has dignity and deserves respect, care, and support regardless of their situation in life. One social issue that we often see in our community is poverty. Because of this, some people struggle to meet even their basic needs. Through this activity, we want to put into action what we learned from CST, pinaagi sa paghatag og simple snacks ngadto sa mga less fortunate members sa atong community. So, ubani me to give out these snacks and hopefully make someone's day a little better. So, for this activity, niadto mi sa ICM para mangita og snacks nga among ipanghatag. Una, nidumi sa bread cottage para mopalit og bread. At first, medyo naglibog mi unsa nga bread among pilion kay daghan man og choices. Pero after some discussion, naka-decide ra gyud mi sa among kwaon. Human ato, niadto dayon mi sa counter para mobayad.
After buying the bread, nidong mi sa supermarket para mingita og drinks. Same gihapon, nag-debate ni gamay unsay mas maayo ilisan sa snacks. Daghan mig choices gi-consider, pero in the end, naka-decide mi nga sito na lang. We got 25 pieces with 2 different flavors aron na pod variety. Pagkahuman, nibayad mi sa counter and prepared everything.
After that, nisakay mi og tricycle padulong sa simbahan aron magsugod sa mga activity. Ang first na mo natagaan kay usa ka candle vendor. Human aton nila kami padung sa BQ Mall para mangita pa og lain nga mga tawo nga pwede na mahatagan. Didto nakakita mi og daghan nga nanginahanglan og gagmayng tabang. So, among gipanghatag ang tanan namong snacks.
One by one, among gihatag ang bread ug sito. Aside from giving food, we also greeted them with a smile and show respect. Nindot kaayo tanawon ilang reaction, kay bisan simple ra imong ihatag, grateful kaayo sila. Seeing their smiles and hearing the thank you was really fulfilling and made the whole experience worth it. Being a kind person or like kanang mahatag bitaw into vulnerable people, it is not easy yun because kanang narmi is specific kanang bitong tao gid tagaan in that time because of kanang dili pa ka kanang kanang 15 people at among need nga tagaan, but namang other nga there are one family, so dili mi halos makahatag nila because daghan na kaayo sila. So how manang that's why specific na naman siya og kwan, but because of that nga paghitabo maka-realize mi nga sakit man dipud sa manghatagai madili mahatagan tanan no kani makita ni nato nga kanang how kanang unsa sila kagutom unsa pud sila kaahaw ug so samot na mga candle vendor nga kanang init kaayo bitaw nga need nila ang pagkaon ug tubig. So that's why no igitanan if dili matagaan. So if na pa jud mi kaya nga matagaan tagaan jud namo, but in that scenario we need to be specific because napa po mas pabitaw nila ato katug yung mga buta katong yung mga kapansanan mo jud among gi mas priority in that time, and also di siya easy. This activity taught us nga helping others doesn't require a lot of money. As student, we can start with small things. Pwede ta mag-share of food kung natay extra, mag-donate og clothes nga wala na nato gigamit, or just be kind and respectful sa atong interactions every day. We can also encourage our friends and classmates to join outreach activities and community programs. At the end of the day, small actions done with love can create a big impact. And that's the end of our vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video remind us nga bisan gamay ra atong mahatag, it can still make a difference in someone's life.
Let's continue spreading kindness, helping one another, and being a source of hope in our community.
Thank you and God bless everyone.